What's up, guys? OnePlus is reportedly working on the OnePlus 9T flagship, and we heard reports that the company will not be launching the OnePlus 9T Pro alongside the 9T handset. Now today, fresh information shared by another tipster reveals that the OnePlus 9T 5G may ship with ColorOS 11 and will debut in the third quarter of 2021. He added that the phone will be featuring a 108-megapixel Hasselblad Quad camera system. Another key revelation is that there will not be a Pro model for the 9T this year, but we would suggest our viewers to take this info with a pinch of salt. A recent leak claimed that the OnePlus 9T will feature a Samsung E4 flexible AMOLED screen with LTPO technology that offers a full HD plus resolution and up to 120 Hz variable refresh rate. Qualcomm recently announced the Snapdragon 888 Plus chip that offers faster clocking speeds than the Snapdragon 888. It was also revealed that the Snapdragon 888 Plus will be used by brands like ROG, Asus, Honor, Motorola, Vivo, and Xiaomi in the future. Since OnePlus was not mentioned, it's likely that it will settle for the Snapdragon 888 chipset for the 9T. Last year, the OnePlus 8T was announced in October. Now that the OnePlus 9T is expected to launch in the third quarter, the company might announce it in September. The OnePlus Nord 2 is also expected to launch in the third quarter. In fact, it is speculated to launch as early as this month. So guys, that's pretty much what we have here for now. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe to the channel for great daily tech videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.